Where is he? The guest of honor in the back. Yeah, drool all over the inside of my windows. Mr. Haircut, beautiful guy. Look at you, so beautiful, boy. Yeah.
Come on in.
Is that your brother? Oh my God, you're so cute. What are you guys doing? Oh, you think they recognize each other?
Oh, big time.
What's up, buddy?
You need to get Logie shaved like that. Aww. Hi, sweetie. Oh my God, he looks like a different dog all shaved. That's
Where's Logan going in?
That's the only way you can do
This is good because he.
it.
Oh, he's going for it! He can't swim!
Get in there.
No!
We did it. Yeah.
Oh, you gotta get up! You gotta get up! I gotta walk! You gotta...
Not bad, Wedo.
Pretty good. Kept his head dry.
Yep.
Come on. Usually when a dog gets wet, all the fur goes down and moves a lot skinnier. Wedo actually looks fat.
Go ahead, Angus. Go on. Go on. Ah. Oh, okay, you're just a California dude now, huh? All right.
Oh my God.
Usually.
I don't like. That's the snake in the sky. There we go. The sky snake.
Daddy, don't laugh too hard. I want you to be your kiss. Daddy, don't laugh too hard. I want you to...
Bring it. Bring it.
Logan does that same.
Here we go. Come on.
With the mist. There's a
Well.
mist, Major. Logie, get the mist. Get the mist, Logie. Oh.
Wait, what is that?
Not too hard.
What is that?
Not too hard.
What is that?
There you go. They like that. They love that.
Wait. Let me see what kind.
Angus, say bye to your brother until next week. You'll get all excited when it's time to come play with the hose. You guys are making this really fun.